Welcome. In this video we are going to learn about classes and objects, the building blocks of object-oriented Python. As your programs grow, you need a way to group related data and actions together. Classes solve exactly that problem by letting you define your own custom types. Think of a class as an architect's blueprint. The blueprint is not a house, but you can use it to build as many houses as you want. In Python, each house you build is called an object. We start with the keyword class, then the name dog, then a colon. The word pass is a placeholder that means the class body is intentionally empty for now. On line 4, we call dog with parentheses, just like calling a function. This creates a brand new object and stores it in the variable d. That object is called an instance of dog. Passing d to the type function tells Python to report what kind of object d is. It will print the class it belongs to, confirming that d is truly a dog. When we run this, Python prints the type of d. It says class, then main.dog. Main just means the class lives in the file we are running right now. Remember, the class is written once and acts as the blueprint. Every time you call that class, you get a fresh object, its own separate instance, that can hold its own data. To wrap up, a class is a blueprint, and an object is what you build from it. Use classes whenever you want to group related data and actions together into a single reusable structure.